how to find item ID number on Roblox. So first, open up your browser. This could also work for a phone. So what you need to do is just open up roblox.com. Wait for it to load. Once you're there, of course, just go to the item that you want to find the ID number of. So let's say I just want this item, for example. I'm just going to click on that particular item. So this will also work for mobile. Just go tap on that particular item that you want to find the ID number. And once you're there, just go to the URL on the very top. So if you want to do this on phone, you need to use your Google Chrome, your Safari or stuff. Just need the browser to open and just search for Roblox also and search for that particular item that you want to find the ID of. So let's say this item, I then just go to the search bar at the very top, and that particular item ID number is this one where it says just beside the name of that particular item right here. So this item was called knit sweater black variant, or with the black variant right there. So this is the ID of it. So it's at the very top. That's what I highlighted right here. So that's basically this is the ID number and this is the name of the item. Now you could copy it and paste it wherever you want so that you could access it at any time. And that's how you basically find the item ID number on Roblox.